In this video, I'll show you how to use your wired headset with your iPhone 16, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Well, obviously these phones don't have any headphone jack, so what you need to do? Well, very easy, you'll need an adapter. USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack. Now, this is the easiest solution. This one is made by Apple. I'll put a link in the description. You just plug it here, plug your headset in there, oops, like that, and then you'll get a message on the screen. You need to tap on headphones, very important, and this is it. You'll now be able to use them. One of the problems that many people encounter is with the mic. These headphones don't have any mic attached here, but some of them have one, and some people have trouble making these work together. So what you need to do in case you have a mic and it does not work simply by plugging the way I showed you. Well, I searched on the internet because I never used these, so I didn't know where to start to solve this problem. And I found two people that found a solution to this issue. So one of these solutions to make the mic of your wired headset work is to go into the settings. Once you open settings, it should look like this over here. Then go down, select sound and haptics. Scroll like this and you should get headphone safety. Click on this. USB audio accessories. And then forget all USB audio accessories. Tap on this and then forget again. Then connect back your headphones. Select headphones. And this should solve your issue. If this solution wasn't good enough for you, I'll put a second one on the screen of somebody who found another solution, that is to use another adapter. This one, as I said, is made by Apple, but that person found out that the one made by actually works better for this purpose. So again, just follow what's on the screen. Maybe it works. I never test that adapter just to make sure, but hey, if somebody can help over there, that's really nice. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.